Hello everyone, welcome back to G2 Racer. Today I'm making a small thank you video because I realized that a couple of days ago, almost a week ago, I actually managed to get 1,000 subscribers. It's amazing, and I'm so very grateful for everyone who wants to subscribe and who watches my videos and likes them. Uh, this whole channel just started as a small, I don't know, hobby. Nah, it's not even a hobby. It was like, yeah, just for fun. I had something to do. I was sick again with my bad back, and I would start making videos about cars. And now, actually, it's going really well, and I'm thinking it's fun, really. Of course, my beautiful wife has a YouTube channel, and of course, I got inspiration from her. Uh, I think the thing now is I'm starting now to take this more seriously. If I want to have it like a hobby channel, I can continue like this. But actually, if I want something more, maybe I should start making more of a progress and really put in some effort in making videos. So when I have now 1,000 subscribers, I realized soon I can actually be monetized. Uh, I don't like ads, and I know no one likes ads, but if I continue working, I get monetized, I can actually start making more money to put into the channel. And then I'm like, oh my god, if I really focus on this, I can buy more cars. And we all love to buy cars. Um, yeah, so I think that this whole video is about now me saying thank you for watching my videos, and let's do a bigger effort to make much more videos and much more interesting videos. And if you have any ideas, please send me a comment. I also have I also now have a G2 Racer Instagram and also a G2 Racer on Facebook. I don't know. I just I've read somewhere that you should have many channels. No, not many channels, but many different ways of getting more views and more people interesting. So I'm like, okay, let's try. I don't know anything about social media really. But please watch it, or you can go and see the other social media things. I think my name was on Instagram is GT Racer Europe, because I couldn't get the GT Racer, someone already had it. And on Facebook I think it's only GT Racer. Yeah. I will post some sort of link here somewhere, and please go and see that. This was all for today. I need to go now and buy more things and go to a Karlstad and go to a car to Biltema and to buy more things for cars. Never mind. Goodbye and see you soon again.